In case you didn't know, you can't watch my age-restricted videos unless you're signed into YouTube. Got a hot babe here and a 1931 Ford Custom. Sassy chick here and a 1941 Chevrolet Deluxe Custom Coupe. Delicious looking woman here in a 1951 Chevy 3100 pickup. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. If you like my videos and want me to continue creating them, please donate $1 cash or more and send it to the address listed. Please no checks. Thank you for your support. Woo-wee! A hot looking beauty in a 1961 Chevy bubble top Impala. Wowzer! Sizzling Fox here, a 1971 Buick GSX. Please don't forget to donate. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.